Good morning, everyone. I am Sudhanshu Chauhan, and today our team is going to present our DB project titled Smart Lake Cleaner. So, first of all, we will talk about motivation. Water bodies are habitats for millions of different animals and species. Nowadays, the lakes and rivers are fully contaminated and can be a matter of concern. Also, there are many cases of oil spills in pure water lakes, which is becoming a matter of concern for the existence of aquatic life. The people living nearby are mostly vulnerable to diseases in case the water body is contaminated. Now, what is our product? For government NGOs who need to clean water bodies, our Smart Lake Cleaner is a mechanical robot that collects waste floating on the surface, sucks oil lubricants spilled, and collects and shares water quality properties with the government in real time. So, coming to the literature review, we have three literature sources. The first paper helped us to innovate further on our design as it presented minute details like the efficient design of chassis, material to be used, and etc. In the second paper, we had an overview of previous oil collection techniques and discussed the general issues in oil collection. In the third paper, we read some quality measures of water like pH, temperature, turbidity, salinity, and dissolved oxygen. The paper discusses their importance individually and need to measure their values for adequate water quality. Now Piyush will continue.
Coming to the design, we have categorized the design components into three categories: the mechanical parts, electrical and electronic parts, and the software parts. Coming to mechanical aspects, we are aiming to use PVC pipes that will be used to fabricate majority parts of the bot. The bot can be divided into four major units. The first one is the base unit that is responsible for the movement of water in the water body. Then we have the waste collection unit, which consists of a conveyor belt and waste collection rods, which is responsible to collect waste that is floating on the surface of water. We have the oil collection unit, which basically sucks the lubricants and the oil that is spilled over the surface of water, and electrical utility box, which contains the electrical and electronic components. The fifth image can be seen and can be used as a reference for the assembly of the product. Coming to electrical and electronic aspects, we aim to use Node MCU, which will be used to share the real-time data with the server, and we will use Arduino to manage the movements of the bot and communicate with the remote. We have three data collection sensors, which are the pH, TDS, and temperature, and there is an infrared sensor which is used for communication. The electrical components include the DC motors, suction pump, and lithium polymer battery, which will be used to power all the above components. We have used Arduino IDE to program our Arduino and Node MCU board, and basically we are performing four major tasks. The first one is receiving input from the remote. The second one is controlling the bot movements. The third one is controlling the suction pump, and fourth one is collecting data and uploading it to the server. The code for the same can be found using the respective links. We have put this code on Tinkercad, and the YouTube video for the simulation can be found from this link. Coming to fabrication plan, we aim to fabricate mechanical components and design electrical and electronic circuits parallelly, followed by programming microcontrollers. Then we would move to the assembly, test them in various situations, and fix the bugs arising in the testing. The estimated cost of our lake cleaner is rupees 25,410, and the individual cost of each component can be found using the tested version. Now, Manvinder will continue with the impact on society.
So in India, there are lots of festivals like Ganesh Visarjan, Durga Puja, and Kumbh Mela. And because of these festivals, there is lots of water pollution. Our product should help in getting rid of the lightweight wastes like garlands, lamps, and coconuts. It can also be used to collect dead fishes either from oil spills or also in fishery plants. The water quality data that we have collected would be shared in real time with the municipal corporations so that they can take preventive and corrective measures. And also, a decline in water pollution is going to allow people residing near these water bodies to have better standards of living. And also, it's going to protect aquatic life. After the proper testing and development, we are aiming to sell our product to two types of customers. First are the state customers. Here we are aiming to sell to the municipalities of India. Second are the private customers. Here we are aiming for privately owned ponds in India, which need proper maintenance. There is this Apna Talab Abhiyan, which is started by Ministry of Jal Shakti, and it aims to increase the groundwater level and develop small-scale fishing hubs in India. So this is also a potential place where we could sell our product. The further details can be found in our report, which can be accessed using the provided link. Thank you for the attention.